Good day everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up the alarm on this watch Casio W737H. And first we need to move from this timekeeping mode to the alarm mode, and to do that press the mode button on the bottom left. 1, 2, 3. Now we are in this one, AL alarm mode. And yeah, to set up the time for the alarm, we can press and hold the adjust button on the top left like this. And now we can see that the hour is blinking, and also this icon for the alarm is active. So now let's change this number 12. Let's say I want the alarm to go off at 5:30 in the morning. So I will set by pressing the start stop button. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then to move to the next item, the minute, I can press the mode button on the bottom left. So now the minute is blinking. I'm going to press this one until showing 30. Okay, yeah, 30. And anyway, you can also decrease the number or reduce by pressing this one, the split button. So for example, this one, and that will also apply to the hour. So no need to worry if you press more than needed. It's easily corrected here. And 5:30 ready. And then next I can press the mode button to move to the hour if I want to change again, but now it's done. I can press the adjust button to quit or to exit this adjust mode for the alarm. And yeah, as we can see here that this is the alarm icon, meaning that the alarm is active. And you can also activate the hourly signal or chime by pressing this split button on the top right to cycle through which items is active. So for this one, only the alarm. If I press once more, now it's only this bell or this signal or the hourly chime, okay, which means that every changing of the hour, the watch will give a beep sound. And then if I press again, both the alarm and the hourly signal is active. If I press once more, both are not active. So now I will just show you that this is going to be both active, the alarm at 5:30 and also the hourly signal. Okay, now you can return to the timekeeping mode by pressing the mode button. And yeah, that's it. So now the watch has an alarm that is active at 5:30 and also an hourly signal. Okay, that's all for this video. Hopefully this is useful. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.